Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix and solve this problem on Picsart. Just watch this video till the end. Now first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps or applications. Here as you can see we found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Picsart. When you found Picsart, just open it like this and then go to storage, and on storage go to clear data, then click OK, and also clear cache, and then go back and click on for stop here, and then you have to restart your phone. And when you restart it, go directly to Play Store and update your Picsart again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.